Hello, I'm Kate. I'm the head practitioner here at Kamalaya. The Structural Revival programme was designed to support with all aspects of structural wellbeing. Structural wellbeing can be influenced by many factors, such as injuries or surgeries, repetitive patterns such as prolonged sitting, a lack of exercise and stretching, and the natural wear and tear that can occur as we age. People may be drawn to this programme for rehabilitation after injury or surgery, improving flexibility and mobility, core strength and posture, and a reduction of structural pain.
Hello, I'm Hans, the Fitness and Movement Manager. The Structural Revival journey unfolds in gentle, progressive stages. Assessment and awareness begin the experience with a 3D body scan and consultation with a physiotherapist to understand your alignment, posture, and movement patterns. Realignment and release follow through treatments like myofascial release therapy, traditional Thai therapeutic massage, revival exercises that focus on corrective exercises, and super stretch that is assisted passive stretching. The emphasis is on improving range of motion and ease tension. Strengthening and integration comes next, with guided sessions of Pilates, functional movement, aqua fitness to help rebuild balance, stability, and mobility. Revitalization emerges as posture improves and energy flow returns. Guests often notice renewed vitality, lighter movement, and brighter mood. Each treatment complements the next, designed to restore harmony between structure and spirit.
When pain reduces, posture improves, and flexibility increases, it can have a profound impact on confidence, mood, and allows vitality or qi to flow more freely through the body. This program is ideal for people experiencing chronic back or neck pain, office syndrome, recovery from injury or surgery, or simply people looking to rediscover the flexibility of their youth.
The journey from arrival to departure. From the moment of arrival, the Kamalaya team guides you at every steps. Before your arrival at Kamalaya, you can always request a pre-arrival consultation with a wellness guardian to personalize your stay. On site, you'll meet your wellness consultant, physiotherapist, and fitness experts for initial assessment and personalized scheduling. Daily treatments and exercises flow through your stay, balanced with nourishing cuisine and time for nature or solitude. Before departure, a final wellness review helps you reflect on progress, and your team provides practical tools and exercises to continue at home. What to expect? The experience. By the end of the Structural Revival program, you can expect reduced pain and stiffness, greater mobility and posture awareness, a renewed sense of physical confidence and vitality, and calmer, clear state of mind. The body begins to move as it meant to, freely, smoothly, in balance. After departure, continuing the path. The Structural Revival journey doesn't end at Kamalaya. You leave with a tailored plan of movement and postural exercises to help you sustain the good habits cultivated here. The alignment you restore becomes more than physical. It's a way of being, a renewed relationship with your body, a foundation for healthier, more vibrant life.
Many guests leave with a greater sense of freedom of movement, standing taller with increased overall vitality. You're one step closer to feeling more aligned in your body, within yourself, and with life's potential.
See you soon at Kamalaya.